sticker. This looks quite sturdy. This is made of plastic and it might break. Kinds of screwdriver. So this is the knitting machine. I have received it as a gift and it's been 2 weeks and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to make an unboxing video. So let's unbox it together. Okay, so this is the Sentro knitting machine and it has 48 pins. And this is the new upgraded version. Legs are different and it also comes with the clamps to prevent it from the slipping. Apparently, the older version used to slip a lot while knitting. So maybe these clamps can help the machine to stabilize. Alright, so I have a manual. Also, since it is a different, little bit different, so I am getting like this. Okay, yarn. I have few yarns in it. Okay, so this is, yeah, it doesn't say anything about what kind of yarn is this. Like, I think it's mostly acrylic, but I'm not sure. So there are many colors. This is pink, blue, white. So, and this one. Also, I think these are the reinforcement brackets. So, yeah. And so let's unpack it even more. Okay. Well, all right. And this is the machine. All right. So there are a few more things. I think these are the legs. And two yarn tension guides. Yeah, I was talking about this. So this is a crochet hook. This is 3.75 mm. This is plastic, by the way. And these darning needles of different size. These are for anti-slipping, like this. I need to peel this off. I did not receive any screwdriver with it, so I'm going to get a screwdriver. I got all the kinds of screwdriver. As for step one, I need to attach these legs. It looks quite easy, so let's do it. So I think this will go here. Okay, I don't even need a screwdriver for it. Okay, I think, yeah, I don't need a screwdriver for it. And then this. Legs were quite easy to attach. I have attached all the four legs. Now I understand why they did not give me a screwdriver, because I don't need one. So they have row counter. It says 3. I think, yeah, this one resets everything. And yeah, this one right here, it's for, I think, tube, and P is for panel. So if I do this, this machine will create a panel and this will create a tube. I haven't figured this out where to attach this one. So I think this will go at this place. This is made of plastic and it might break. Finally, somehow I did it. I attached this one. This is a yarn holder for, I think, tension. So the setup was pretty easy overall, except the yarn tension guide. And if you didn't know, this machine is completely manual. It doesn't need any electricity. This stand, the anti-slip sticker, this looks quite sturdy. I have seen in videos people complaining about it, but this is quite good, honestly. So now let me try with the clamps. These are the clamps. So put it around the legs. Yeah, this way. Okay, and this thing has to go under the table. So I need to bring this one under the table. Yeah, and then tighten this one. Yes, it's fixed. It's not moving at all. So I will do this for this leg as well. So here's the complete setup with the clamps attached, and it stays really stable on the table. And I think once you secure it with the clamps like this, you can just sit comfortably and work on it without worrying about it sliding around. Alright, so let's try this out with some yarn. So I'm trying this knitting machine for the first time ever. So I'm using weight for yarn, and honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing yet. I have watched a few videos, but I have never actually tried this before. So today is just like a testing this knitting machine for the very first time. Right now, it's in panel mode, so the handle just goes back and forth instead of making a full round. And no, this is not a tutorial, and I definitely need more time before I can teach anything, to be honest. I have seen some really cool YouTube videos though, and that's what made me want to try this in the first place. Not gonna lie, I think I have dropped a lot of stitches already, but I'm reminding myself it's literally day one and I should not be expecting myself to be an expert. So we are being gentle over here. Also, a quick note, I feel like this machine works better with thicker yarn than weight 4 yarn. If you want that nice full knit look, with this yarn you can see some gaps, which is totally fine if that's the look you want, but if not, go for something chunkier. But honestly, I love this thing already. Let me figure out a bit more, and then maybe I'll come back with some really cool project ideas or tutorial. Okay, so I don't know why, but I just tried this with a thinner yarn just for fun, and look what happened. It doesn't look like knitting at all. It's more like a fishnet vibe, but I was just super curious, to see how it would turn out with thinner yarn. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully with some better progress, maybe even a finished project if I practice a bit more. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. I'll catch you next time. Bye.